Hi family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have watched part 1 of this video, and if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe and be part of the family. In this video I am cleaning, I am making sure my house is tidy. It's new year, it's 2021, we're gonna clear heads. Our space needs to be very tidy in order for us to think properly. I hope also that you get a lot of motivation out of this video. Guys, I don't know if you have noticed, my living room carpet is full stained. I keep knocking my teacup on the floor because I don't have side tables where I sit to watch TV, and end up every time knocking my cup of tea on the floor. And yes, I'm looking to replace with wooden floors because it's a pain in the neck, and it just looks awful. And hopefully this year, as soon as I get some money, I will be replacing this flooring. Guys, here's some of the products I'll be using to polish my furniture. Yes, I use the Mr. Sheen, also the natural wooden like fragrance spray. It polishes very nicely, and I'm also trying the Fabulosa, the opulence one. I hear so many people talking about it, and I gave it a try. My daughter did not quite like it, but I think it's better than so many sprays. Really, for me to use a spray, I rather use candles or a fragrance diffuser, or even the incense sticks to fragrance my home. I'm not a big fan of sprays to keep the house fresh, and but I'd give it a try, and it smells settle. It's not bothering me, and I still can smell it while I record these for you guys. Yeah, it's fresh and it's nice. I see why people like it. I'll give a try some other scents and see if I like it as well. But my daughter hated it. So guys, if you have noticed these books on my table, I purchased from AliExpress. I'll be making a video about them. I'll be making a review. They like fake books. Inside is actually hollow, is empty, and it just works as a box type of thing, and you know, it's just mimicking Tom Ford in Christian Dior. Guys, I hope you've been watching so far and you have started cleaning with me. I'm here to keep you company and give you motivation. There is no point in just watching me, okay? Make sure you are doing what I'm doing in the screen, okay? And also go ahead and subscribe for more videos. And like I said, this channel is all about reviews, hair, beauty, and much more. So guys, I bought Fabulosa, the opulence one, and I will try it, spray in my sofa and my blanket, my couch throw, okay, and carpet and furniture basically. So yeah. Yes, guys, I hope you stick to the end. And this is the results. A very cozy space, very clean, just very, very comfortable. And like I said, the most important, clutter free and just cozy, and a space that you really want to reflect about life, plan your life. You know, nothing better than having a tidy space so you can relax and recharge your batteries. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'm on the road for 1,000 subscribers. Like I said, if it's your first time in my channel rather, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe to my channel. I'm a mother of one. I'm Claudia, I'm from Angola, and I live in UK for over 21 years. I hope you enjoyed this video and give loads of likes and also subscribe. Love you guys. I hope you are motivated to clean your space. Until next time, love you guys.